Hello everyone, Tom for everystepcalculus.com, everystepphysics.com. I'm going to do partial fraction problem. This person says it's a hard partial fraction problem. Let's see about that. It is hard. They're all hard if you ask me without my programs. But let's do it. Index 8 to get to my menu. Scroll down to partial fractions. We're going to enter the integral. Have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines. So we're going to go alpha, and then we're going to left parentheses x squared plus 3 times x plus 1, close off the parentheses, divided by, open up the parentheses, x to the 4th power plus 5 times x squared plus 4. Close off the parentheses. I always show you what you've entered. Now, maybe you're better than I am, but you have to factor this denominator in partial fractions every time. So this makes it hard for a class, and for a test. Problem is way too hard for a test, probably for homework, because I don't know who would be able to write off from memory to factor that, but I say it's okay. We factor the denominator. Here it is right here. And we start doing our partials. The idea is that you are going to eliminate the denominator here by multiplying it times the same thing with the numerator. This here is the factored portion is here, and this is the original denominator. And so then we have the numerator is equal to ax plus b times x squared plus 4 and cx plus d plus x squared plus 1. We multiply that out using the FOIL method. Remember the FOIL method? First, outside, inside, and last. First would be ax times ax squared. Outside would be ax times 4, etc. I multiply it out here. The calculator uses small letters rather than capitals. No problem. We combine those terms, and we come up with this. A plus c is x cubed, x squared, 4a plus c, etc. Now we have to figure out the coefficients for this numerator. And since there's no x cubed, we have to put one in there, which is 0 times x cubed. And then we have 1 coefficient here, 3 coefficient here, and 1. So here we have 1, 3, and 1. So then, therefore, AC is equal to 0, BD equal to 1, BA plus, or 4A plus C is equal to 3, and 4B plus D is equal to 1. And we work out, we use subtraction. We're subtracting like terms. So AC is subtracted by 4A plus C, and that's equals 3. We set them equal. A equals 1. Do the same for each one of them. D equals 1. C equals a minus 1. Notice here we're replacing A with what we found, which is 1, which I do that for you here. When they're in quotation marks, I've replaced it in there. Partial fractions are this, right here. And I also do the integrals for you. Log of x squared plus 1 divided by 2, etc., etc. Pretty neat, huh? everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site.